Hi there, and welcome to today's training session. My name is Philippe, and I'll be guiding you through how to use the menu management feature within the SmartGuest admin portal. The purpose of today's session is to understand how to manage and update menus for restaurant outlets. Overview of the key objectives, menu management navigation, creating menus, adding sections, adding items, manage item ordering, and status availability. Now, before we get started, please check that you can log into the SmartGuest admin portal, ensure you have access to the correct hotel, and ensure all outlets have been linked to the hotel in order to access the menu management feature. Once logged in, click the provider and admin on the top nav. Once clicked, a list of all available hotels will be displayed. Click the select button. Once selected, the hotel name will be shown on the top left nav bar. Once confirmed, you can navigate to food and beverage and click on menu management. Once clicked, you'll be presented with the menu management screen. On the top left corner, you'll see a list of all available outlets. You'll select the relevant restaurant. And for this restaurant, you can see that nothing has been loaded. Now, before I start, let me just explain the menu hierarchy, a quick overview. Here is where you'll create your various menus like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Once you've created a menu, you can link various sections to that menu like starters, mains, desserts, beverages. And once you highlight a section, you can link as many items to that section. Cool. So now let's proceed in creating a menu. So once the outlet's been selected, you can either click the Add Menu Plus button or simply the Add. Click there. And we'll give our menu a name, lunch menu. Give it a description. We'll upload an image to represent that menu, the order in which that menu should be displayed, and whether it's available or not. I'm going to click Save and New to add another menu, and I'll call this one Dinner. Description. An image for that menu, the display order, and whether it's available. I'm going to save and close now. You'll now see we've got two menu items, both of which have no sections. I'm going to highlight one of the items, lunch menu, and I'm going to add a section. I'm going to give that section a name, the order in which it should be shown, and you'll see that lunch menu has been pre-selected because it was highlighted. Save and close. You can now see under lunch menu, we've got a section called starter, and that starter section has no items. I'll proceed in adding an item. Upload an image for that item. The currency is pre-selected or pre-configured based on the hospitality provider account settings on the main hotel. You'll capture an amount, the display order for that item, and you can save and new. I'll add the second item, item 2. can upload another image. I'm not going to do so for this item. And capture an amount and the order in which I want it displayed, and that it belongs to the starter section. I'm going to save and close. You'll now see under lunch menu, we've got a section called starter, and under starters, we have 2 items. Going back to the menu, so I've successfully shown you how to create a menu, create a section, and create items. In order to edit these details, you'll click on the pencil button. Once clicked, you can update any of the fields. Under quick actions, we have the ability to change the sequence. So lunch menu, which was displayed first, can be displayed second. Have the ability to delete an item. A warning will always be shown whenever you delete an item, and that's because deleting an item is irreversible. So let's just cancel that, and changing the item's availability, or that menu's availability. The same can be done on sections. So this is lunch menu. I'm adding a main section, and I want that to be displayed second, and it belongs to the lunch menu, and let's close. You'll now see I've got 2 sections under lunch menu, starters and main section. You can again move these around by selecting the sequence number here. Or just dragging and dropping. You'll note here that there is a lunch menu with 2 linked sections. Those 2 linked sections are starters and main. Under starters, you can see there's 2 linked items, and these are the 2 linked items. Again, just as above, you can set the sequence of these items. If I want this one displayed second, you'll now see item number 1 is displayed as 2, and item 2 is now 1. You can edit an item in order to update the name, description, image, amount, and the display order, and which section that item belongs to. Also have the ability to search. So item 2, and it uses the name field, and it will filter out all items that match your search term. Thank you. I think I have covered the end-to-end of managing a menu. Just some tips and best practices. Keep item names short and clear. Use high quality but compressed images. Recommended size of 600 by 600, or try keeping it under 300 KB. This helps with performance within the app. Always review and double check before saving and publishing or making menus available. Remember to always use a sequence number to ensure this display order is consistent, and use the toggles to hide an available menu or items. Thank you, guys. If you need any further information, please feel free to contact our support team via email, and we will respond promptly. Thank you very much.